In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text in Wix. Whether you're creating a website for a personal project, a business, or just for fun, adding scrolling text can be an eye-catching way to deliver your message and keep visitors engaged. Scrolling text is perfect for announcements, promotions, or simply adding a dynamic element to your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize scrolling text to suit your needs. So let's dive right in and get started. First, begin by opening your Wix website editor. This is your main workspace where you'll create and customize your site. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Click on the plus icon here. This is where you'll access all the design elements you can add to your website. After clicking the plus icon, hover over the gallery option in the menu. This will expand a secondary list of options related to galleries. Next, hover over Pro Galleries in that list. Wix offers a library of pre-designed templates for galleries, so take a moment to browse the options that appear. Select a template that best fits your needs. Don't worry too much about the specifics just yet, as we'll be customizing it shortly. Once you've added the gallery to your site, click on Manage Media. This is where you'll control the content that appears within the gallery. To start fresh, click on Select All to highlight all the current items in the gallery. Then click Delete to remove everything and create a blank canvas. Think of this as clearing the stage for your scrolling text. With a clean slate, click on Add Media within the Manage Media interface. This is where you'll insert the scrolling text itself. From the available options, select Text. This choice allows you to add custom wording to the gallery. A text input field will appear. This is where you'll type your desired message. Take your time to edit the text so it matches your vision, whether it's a headline, a promotion, or a simple welcome message. Once you're happy with the text, click on Add to Gallery to save it within the gallery setup. Now that your content is ready, click Done to return to the main editing screen. At this point, you'll need to adjust how the text is displayed. Click on Settings for the gallery, and then click on Layout. This menu lets you control the overall arrangement of your gallery from here. Select the slider option. This layout works perfectly for creating continuous scrolling text. To fine-tune the appearance of your text, click on Customize Layout. This is where you'll make the scrolling effect come to life. Start by activating the Loop Images setting. This ensures that the scrolling text repeats seamlessly. Next, turn on the Slide Automatically function. For the slide mode, select Continuous. This option allows the text to move smoothly without interruptions. The final step in this section is to adjust the slideshow speed. Take a moment to test different speeds to find the pace that looks best for your site. You want the text to scroll smoothly, but not so fast that it becomes hard to read. When you've made all the adjustments, click on Preview to see your scrolling text in action. This will give you a real-time look at how it will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your scrolling text is now ready to grab attention and enhance your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.